I'm going to show you how to replace a low beam bulb for a 2007 Lexus ES350. The bulb I found at my auto parts store, and it's pretty expensive, but I have some affiliate links if you want to get the same one or a cheaper version. The first thing you want to do is remove the cover, and there's going to be another cover for the light bulb section. It's very tight in there, so just keep that in mind when you're working. You're going to want to turn counterclockwise to remove the first plug that connects to the bulb. There are two clips that you're going to have to also unlock in order to remove the bulb itself. So I turned it counterclockwise, pulled off the first connector, and you can see that there are two clips. Now the two clips, you're going to go ahead and pinch those together, and they're going to go fall through that slot there. And that's what's keeping and holding that bulb in place. So as you can see, I went ahead and released them and removed the bulb. When you're installing the new bulb, make sure you don't touch the glass to extend the life of the bulb. And there's little slots that match up so you can guide it back into place. When you go to install the final connector, make sure that the plug is underneath that clip, so it rests on top of there. So you're going to go ahead and go clockwise to lock it back into place. Thanks for watching the Weekend Honey-Do List. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.